welcome back to my cooking channel. You might notice that my location is a little bit different today. I'm actually at the Zhou family's house, and I'm going to be learning how to cook some traditional, authentic Chinese food. Now I'm super excited, and I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So let's go in. The soy sauce is seasoned. Do you want to put it in a plate? I said it?
It was good, yeah.
Hi! Coming here is really a blessing for me because I get to experience another culture. We are going to be seeing what's cooking over here. Now what are you cooking over here? Ni hao.
Ni hao.
Oh, let's have a look.
Oh, some garlic, green onion, ginger.
Yeah.
Hey, that looks really good. Now what is this going to be? Crab. Crab? So this is going to be crab. It already smells really good. My goodness. It is so delicious. We have some garlic, green onions, some ginger.
对，鱼浆、油葱，还有
Soy sauce? Soy sauce. Chinese food is one of my favorite cuisines, so I definitely want to learn how to cook it traditionally. It usually helps cooking dinner. Bunch of different clusters of crab, the sauce, piping hot, can't wait for it to go in my mouth, gonna be so good, ugh, can't wait. I'm so excited. Are you excited? Happy? So this is Crystal. She's here and she's helping me helping to translate some things that I might not understand. Praise God for Crystal.
I really love coming to have dinner with the family because I think food and eating together is such a cultural thing for the Asians or the Chinese people, where it just means, even if you're eating the exact same dishes, it just means something different and so much more when we're eating with family and friends.
Soy sauce. It smells really good. Did I say it right? Yeah. I need to learn some Chinese. Oh, doesn't it? Crystal? So do you like shrimp?
I do.
Ooh, yes. Yes, I appreciate it. So this shrimp is ready, and now it is time to go ahead and plate this up. So excited to eat this. It smells so good. Look at that. how you're getting the sauce in there. Not too much of the sauce, but you are getting the sauce there on the shrimp. And you cook the shrimp with the shells on because it gives it more flavor. And that's what you want, you want more flavor, right? Okay, here is the shrimp. Look at that. I just spoke with the owners. I just spoke with the Zhous, and they said that it takes about an hour each night to cook dinner. So you know this is gonna be good if it's taking an hour. Oh! I'm so excited to eat this stuff. I wanted to learn how to cook authentic traditional Chinese food, and I now can say that I can. I can cook authentic traditional Chinese shrimp. Oh, I love this. This is the cabbage, right? Let's put this over here. Everything's so hot, ready for it to be eaten by us. I said it?
It was good, yeah.
Now, my next step is to go to China.